All right, everybody, super cold here in Salvador. And this is day 5 of trading 300K evaluation accounts to get funded $2.4 million. Today, I made $1,000 on all 8 accounts. And of course, those trades were sent to the VIPs. And this is how we did. Now, let's get to the charts. And I'm going to show you everything that we did today. Now, remember that in the markets, we get paid to make excellent decisions, not to trade every single day, so heads up to overtrading. Now, we're going to start from the bottom. The last trade of the day was on the S&P 500. As you can see here, was sent a buy limit to the VIPs. And this is the setup. Yes, this is the setup. I was looking at the liquidation of the lows of the pre-market low. Here we had that sell-side liquidity, my friends. Boom. There you go. And here we got the last liquidation of the lows, creating a market structure shift. And we got filled to the tick here, to the tick at my point of interest. And here is where we got out. Eventually, yes, my trade hit my target liquidity at the top. But the reason that I closed earlier at 1R is because we are near all-time highs. And it's kind of a sketchy trading near all-time highs. So because of the high selling pressure and not only a lot of sellers at all-time highs trying to sell, to get or monetize on profit taken. So yes, I am happy with that 1R. And yeah, that was also sent to the VIPs. Close here for 1R win. That's awesome. The other one, the NASDAQ. This NASDAQ, we deleted the NASDAQ because we took the S&P 500. And the first one was gold. I'll show you some gold or my gold setup. Here is my trade. I took shorts here, and here is where I took profits. You can see the actual executions. So my trade here was, again, I was looking at buy side and sell side liquidity pre-market, and here's where I took my trade. I was looking at this entire point of interest in the gold market. There you go, boom. And here's that trade that I took. And as you can see, I did take profit right at the bottom of the move after the liquidation of those equal lows, and that was also sent to the VIPs. As you can see here, close gold shorts here for 1R, great start of the week. Now, this is my account, total P&L $1,024 on one account. I have 8 of those accounts. Right now, running at 306,000, so I am 14,000 from target, and here is that exact P&L history without fees and with fees. And as you can see, my winning versus losing trades is not the biggest one, right? It's almost 50-50, but what matters the most is the risk-to-reward ratio that I take on my trades. That means that I cut my losers very fast, and I let my winners run. This is why I can get this kind of equity curve, and this is what you can also get if you follow my trades with the VIP team. The link is below. And follow my path towards those $2.4 million.